What is now? What happened?
Oh,
You alright, baby? Yes,
hello.
mommy. Hello.
Mom send me down to spend summer with you.
Spend what?
Summer.
The whole of summer?
Mm-hmm.
So you couldn't keep your yard?
No, my father yard. So you try running from my father yard. My father yard.
So your father know? So you come?
You don't know how my work. Mom, if I will text him.
And nobody notify me when your father gone to work all day and me at home with all alone. No. For the whole summer. But she ring confused though. Oh, she can send picnic. She send you with food? She send you with money?
No, father go mind me. I just too.
Hey, what this though? Let me tell you something. I don't know how long your father got tell you so you can stay for, but I'm not sure if it's going to be for the whole summer. And let me tell you something. Remember, say, you hold the blade and me hold the handle, you know. And when your father gone to work from 6 o'clock till 7 o'clock, so that. Remember, say, me in the yard, so me run things. So nobody come with the same rankness you come with before. And broke out my good girl.
No, because I that Tasha for back on me.
That's what I'm afraid of. That's what I'm afraid of. So, why? Can't run you still, but all me I tell you, say, me not think say it's gonna be the whole summer, you know. Me
I'm
not
a
think.
father yard, so it's going to
Yes,
be.
but I am the queen of the yard. So remember, me just tell you, say, about your manners, you know. Remember, little girl, what you hold? You hold the blade of a sharp, sharp knife, and I me hold the handle. Remember that. All right, where you go?
Papa, you cook.
You see, you broke her out already.
Me? I see she hungry.
Hannah Kimber talk to me like big man.
Sir, man. You cook food?
Food up there, but me don't know you have to go share your portion because me never know you come.
Me not share no.
You have to go share
Me
with your
not share.
sister because why from tomorrow breakfast me know say you did and we can, you know, stretch things, but me never prepare for you. So me I go down the road and I go straight home and me have to go phone your father. Nobody leave the yard, here. No one no do. Remember what you hold? You hold the blade and me hold the handle.
It's a mommy.
Alright.
Let me tell you something. Go back, son. How long me walk from? Anyway, no, like how you want give respect and the reward, you know. You have to hear mama business, no girl. Oh. I tell mom some more time more than the summer. And I give pay area. Pay area. If I hear mama business and daddy business when they come in, me no business, you know. Oh. Pay area. Look at them. Be a trouble. That's more than the summer. Anyways, my uncle come. Share the life come. Excuse me? Me not hear again. Me not hear. Come again. You what? My uncle share the life come. Oh. Yeah, slave here. Oh, so you mean you share so you can't share. So not get them. Sorry, but you can't share. You know what? You're not getting none. Where's the girl? And then what? You're not getting none.
Renan, whatever your name is, turn up come.
Here, yeah. Yes, mommy.
What your name again?
I don't know my name. I
And
know
me
me
birth
long
you.
time.
And me
Hello, I
birth you.
respect from mother here. Oh.
Remind me of your name again.
Ren.
Ren. Mother never have no imagination. When I know why your father do, when I know why your father do that, you know. Name the two owner the same name. Renee and Ren. What that makes
Something wrong with your
sense?
sister.
Me not like my daughter in your brackets, you know. In the same bracket and same name, same bracket. It's bad enough when it's the same father. But anyway, I know that me call you for. Since you come now and you is here already, and you say you're gonna stay for the summer. Nothing come free in this house today. Everybody work. Everybody pull them weight. Everybody have them chores to do. Ask your sister.
Wash,
Nobody give look.
clean. If you wash plate,
Tell me father
break
us
up
while
your
me have to
yard,
work.
spread
More sit
bed,
down and rest.
clean out my bathroom. Oh,
Man, do that.
Well,
More
then you
sit down
can't
and
stay
relax.
here. Cause this
I'm
is
a
not
father
a
yard.
nasty yard. It's your father. You better not know nasty yard. Everybody pull their weight. Your father go out from night time for work and come back in the night. Him not see what daylight look like, how him work hard. So when him come, him expect everything to be done. We're all woman a yard. So as your sister said, the cooking, the cleaning, the raking. Don't worry about the cooking. Me will do the cooking.
We can't
But
rake
you see
yard.
when me cook and share, you are go wash. She a go rinse. And the two are go dry
She
and
can't just
put
do
away.
one. She'll
No,
do it
no,
by
no, no,
herself.
no. Teamwork running this here yard. I don't know how you running in your mama yard. But in this yard, teamwork work. Your father come back, that's all. Me cook and share. You wash, she rinse. The two are no dry and put away. Washing in the yard for do. One wash, one rinse. The two are no hang out.
We don't see sense in that. We can't just do
It's
one
called
line.
teamwork. You want to come in, stay here for long, and come and stay for the summer. You have to work for the summer. Everybody work for them food.
So you happy with me?
Yan yam, your mother send you with nothing. Little girl, your mother send you with nothing. 6 weeks. You know how much Mr. Chin I could get from for that? Eh? Mr. Chin in the Mandeville, should I get the money? And Mr. Chin down you go get it. Who I go provide that? Hmm? So that is your working and that is your pay. When rain a fall, you go wet. Exactly. So chores change. And you mentioned sitting down and doing nothing. That sounds like a good idea. Workload share now. So I'm not have to do much. Me will cook and me will share. And then share it between you and a sister. I
yes.
say
She
wrong.
may want to do food, you know. So we're going to hours. So talk to your daughter.
The folk will share.
She never give me long.
Well, we can't talk for that, because we never really cook and plan for you.
Mama is
So,
hungry. And I'm still hungry.
well, your father soon come. Yeah, his son soon set. Your father soon come. Give it a few hours. And normally, today was Saturday, he'll come with soup, bulla and things. So, your
Bulla?
father soon come.
Bulla?
Well, you're not hungry then. After you're not hungry. You know how much people would have lick them finger for bulla? I know a pear's time. Pear drop off a tree. You're not hungry, man.
You eat bulla?
Mm.
And you know it's not like bulla, so you can use by yourself.
Well, you phone him and tell him say you're there.
You call him.
Make sure you phone him and make sure you tell him say your mother not send nothing but you and your clothes by your
Right.
Alright, so I'll go pot up on the fire, so we'll call you when dinner ready.
Alright, we're going out now.
Babes! Oh, God. Oh, yeah, listen, man.
Hey!
Hey!
Whew, you good?
You man, I'm tired, man. Tired. Look, over there today.
Which one?
No much one there. Wait, huh?
You better turn like Jesus and turn the fish and loaves into many, What you look for? Better look for more than one.
Oh, I'm telling you, oh, yeah. This man, me, I left your job. I wonder if you take cookie.
You're gonna need more than that.
Oh,
A one box of food you come in with, you're gonna need to put fertilizer upon that and double that.
I don't
Right,
understand you. Me never stop at KFC for nobody.
right, you know, your multi daughter inside, and I don't mean Ren.
You don't mean who? So
I
where
mean
Renee?
Philly daughter. I mean your daughter
Ren,
inside.
there.
Yeah, Philly picnic. Two of them inside.
Ren, we eat too much.
So her mother send her down for the whole of summer.
How much do you?
No, that means say better put fertilizer on that and
How much
stretch
do you up
that.
this? Yo,
You
you
didn't know?
in a time like this, you tell the woman, say, yo, me just get back at work. Let me build up myself first before you send me daughter come down. Tell him in August, why not July?
The whole summer. Just clothes on her back and
Which
clothes in her
summer?
bag.
Which holiday?
Clothes on
When?
back. She just come.
You must
Ask
be
the
mad.
sister for me to her to road and me a go
Call him out,
shop.
call him out, call him out.
When you come,
This
your
not,
father is here and the fuck.
this not gonna work also.
Daddy, I come.
Huh? Why your mama? See you come so early at
We did
school.
want to come down.
Oh, so you planning?
We did
So
want to
you
come down early.
come down early, come do it. Come suffer.
So far we do a, yeah, money you can feed me.
Me just get back at work.
So
I'm mine. Why problem? Why
I'm
problem?
hungry and I give me now to eat.
Good enough. Go make porridge. Anyway, you're there already, we can't turn it back. So, you tell you what I go on now. I'm just get back work. We normally cook 1 pound of flour. But now you're there, I look like me go cook 2 and 3 kind of yam. No. But me not gonna break your bad like first time. When me used to get 7 dumplings, I 8 dumplings. Then not gonna work again. 2 dumplings or 3 is enough.
No, 4.
Yeah.
I can't eat cheese. We go to the party that night then.
I only can eat one.
Are you happy? We're hungry.
And she older than you. And I use up more energy than you. Why?
And you can't if me go to work, go get an next picnic, you know. Can you see if you did the cheating right? And top cost me. And top tell me about how me I drink out my money. Me drink out my money because me feel nice when me drink. It's when I drink the rum and you under the rum, you feel good.
You is what is called an addict. You is an addict. And you can't manage without it. You come out and I admit to you that to them how you
The
sad.
rum make me not cheat. When me under the rum.
See, you know, you even know you talk about. You talk foolishness, so you don't even have the rum for blame right now. In front of you two, pick me them. Chat man, them here were fool, man. Them pupa be. Chat man.
Your mother influenced me.
My name Rum. My name Ray and nephew.
Put me out when they were in 2. Right? And fear mother put me up. And then when fear mother the band she come back for me.
Me come back for who?
She
Me come back
she
for
can't
who?
manage to mind.
Fear mother used to drop liquor in backside. Let me tell you the truth, you're a big girl now. And the liquor the backside she might run from. Run back to me with song. And I tell me how I'm sorry. I'd sung and listen to the words. This is what the words mean. And I cry every night. And me, you have you. Me grow up without a father. And me never want the same for you. So me take him back with him tears and him crocodile tears.
Out of me.
Your mother put up with him foolishness.
I don't know.
Yeah, where you go ask?
No, stay in my room. I might have it after. No.
You see the thing when me I try to show you.
Let's show them the truth, man. If you gotta talk, don't talk foolishness up to your mouth, man. Talk the truth. Sure.
No, you want no room. Man, you want how me I go eat. Man, me I go eat.
You left your mother yard and not eat.
No, she give me some, but I'm hungry again.
Lord of God.
For you pick me.
I need to buy some wash or to put on here. Yeah, anyway. Summer you come down to spend. Alright, some of the time them for the weekend them, like for Sunday, we go at the bush, go run for somebody and chop down the bush to my farm. So we go start counting over there. So they can collect back there as a pocket money. Yeah. So for Sunday and Monday, we go into the bush. On the way help chop down the bush and collect our money too.
Me nah do that.
So they can buy a little
Daddy, me
sinners.
nah do that. Me want in my bed and sleep. Then me up so I sleep in my bed. Me not come up. Me do no.
I say your
No
daughter
more
broke
freedom.
bad.
No, me have freedom. I was staying in my bed. I'm not.
Let me ask you a question. Who birthed you?
Mom,
Mm-hmm. Who birthed you, mom?
you.
You must be mad. Get up.
Nobody take farm
Where you
food
just a while
like
ago?
your sister here.
Yes, you're
Nobody farm
fool.
food
I
like
test me
she.
at your brain. Where you go to school for? Eh? How me if you birth your mom? Where you go to school for? Your papi sure? Eh? And I say, we don't know young girl. All the power of mind is food and money and man.
Which man?
And have nothing to get education. Without education, you can't go nowhere. No? Eh?
Hello.
Without education, you can't go nowhere. Let me tell you that. You think you can pass through the gate without education? No, if you have to make you out there. Cause right now, if you get a job and you don't know maths, they rob you. Me see somebody, me and my friend go out hotel and in an interview and they say to him, say, how much you expect to get paid? When me hear say $3,000, I cry your father shame. When me hear say 3,000 salary, me say, idiot, what you do? You mess me up. And to me call him idiot, then nobody take me because they say me ignorant. The woman said to him, say, how much he expect his salary? 3 grand. And the matter about it. But the idiot not realize, say, I know the matter about a salary. You understand? So how much per day you expect to eat?
What?
You expect to eat 4 times per day.
What shall I do?
4 times per day. How much a day you think me I collect?
No.
Exactly. And you want to eat 4 times for the day. You see, if breakfast make, you eat little. You put on the rest. You eat in the mix. You see, if lunch look boy, you eat little. You put on some in the mix. Right? That's a 4 times already, you know. You might try to show you something. You see, dinner time, you eat some, you put on the rest. That's a 6
Feel
times.
sour.
Yeah, me quick.
You know how much people they are find right now cook and put on food pan fridge all 2 weeks and I eat out of that the same food. Eh? And microwave run foreign. So might as well you make it run Jamaica too. You cook and you eat right through. Go on in. But give the pussy. Cause you buy see like a KFC night have you done you want then the food there. A 3 piece you buy one big deal. So I go
3
on.
piece.
Mm-hmm.
And you not bring none free.
You know you always say 3 piece.
Hey.
3
Me
piece.
see where your daughter get it from.
Oh.
At least our daughter get her sense from her mother and her mother's side. You really buy 3 piece though, Papa.
No, me
I
can't
know
big man
say
your man
not
left
so
come give me a man with a wicked. Yes.
You not even say 2, come not say that for
At
the way. You
least,
not even eat 2 and say, let me bring the biggest piece and pop it in 2.
at least me bring back the skin and the bone for the puss.
So the puss them come before we.
The
The puss
puss,
them for eat and we not for
the
eat.
puss I do a good job. The puss is catching the mice. So we have to feed it.
Remember the door size, yeah? Remember the door size. I remember say you and your picnic can go out to the door again. No, you do. But puss do something. Hey!
What if you know who be loud here?
Me know.
Girl, you force plate them.
So you can wash plate them.
Me nah wash no
Me nah
plate.
wash
It's
none
you.
neither.
And
Me
you
nah
live
wash
here.
none.
I
Me
don't
nah
my
wash
father
none.
house. Me nah wash it.
Me nah wash none.
Because me ha get on that pot for it. Boy, one dumpling.
What you complain about?
She don't wash the plate
So
them.
you
What
don't
if
wash
you
them.
complain over something when you eat out of?
No, my
Anything when
turn.
you eat out, you know, for the debate who wash and who no wash, you take up here and wash. If you say dirty, you take up here and wash it. Because if you go debate and she, if you wash, you not go wash. And she go debate
And
and
she
you for
eating
wash it.
most.
It no matter who eat the most. It don't really matter. You understand? If she say wash, you wash. And she will rinse. But me don't advise you to wash because you're Lily. You're the Lily one. The big tough turbid one over here, so she will wash. You if you wash, I make sure rinse. She cannot wash. The last time our mother give her a bad pan or panty if you wash, she can't wash them. Her one panty.
Stop telling people them that. I could have washed this soup.
You coulda, but you never. You coulda. Good. You glad you see it? So as me I say now, I left $100 in there. You can buy a small juice and share it. Make sure the plate them wash.
No wash it.
Yeah, wash them.
Wash the cup and the fork. She wash the plate and the pot. And the rinse
So I'm
together.
forget the pot.
Eh?
So I'm forget the pot.
Try a bigger one.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
bigger
wash
one. And she can't wash me eat out tight. Because I don't want a running belly. You understand? You get the point? So where you there to know? Get your backside in. Go on in. I know you better talk. Where she come from? Boy, oh boy.
Where you a boy or boy about? You good?
I pick the them man, me I get myself ready to go up on the road. You know, if you go get the geddies and the readies to come in so they can eat and feed. Me a back to school things to go buy. Me don't know how you go work out, you know. Because you see, feed them mother and you have to come together
Come together with what?
and help work. Me alone can't mind 2 picnic plus 2 women.
Me send you for go breed the whole town.
Listen me.
You if you go home and go breed other woman. You're lucky,
And
send me.
you push me.
Lucky. And me push sperm.
No,
I do I drop you drop.
no,
I drop you drop and land in her.
you push me out. So once you push me, they always have a thing say, you know, yes, when you have something good in your hand, do not let it slip.
Yes, you feel learn
Do
that.
not let it slip.
You feel learn
You know
that.
what your problem is? If you see a friend them in a hairstyle, you vex. Me don't like it. You can't do that. That's what me tell myself Ross. Because if you're not Ross, you're going to have problem.
What do you?
Huh?
What do you?
What that?
Open your eye. A cream here this, man. A cream here this.
No.
You really drop on your head, you know. You know, for go to the street and talk them things. So people really know say a fool when I take up and breathe.
No, it's not a fool. You give me too much headache, too much stress, too much problem. You consider me, all right. Go to work, come back with the money. I'm in a gate, you have a problem.
Then the must.
Me I buy food come in the house.
A food alone run. Bills have to play. You pick them yam. Right? Them every minute them thirsty. Every you want pick them for grow big and strong. Me don't know if he's used hell that Isabel for send a cry. Picnic come and they send the picnic with nothing. Cheap platinum. You better talk. I like it. You bring me and Sheena the same conversation. I'm not to say you call her name first. Like say you and she still there. When you talk about me and baby mother, me come last and she come first. Me I watch you now.
No, it was equal.
Which
Nobody
part
can come between the two of you.
Which part equal? We're real equal fool for put up with you.
No, equal. When me left work, me top of she, me eat little food. By the time I reach out, I'm hungry again to eat. So you have to, most likely, you have to balance the scale.
Balance the scale. All right. No problem. You balance and me will balance too. Yeah, man.
Balance
you
it.
balance scale. Me will balance scale to come and learn from you.
Balance
You're
it.
a wicked teacher. Me learn from you,
You
man.
can't do what a man do and still be a lady, you know.
Me tell you, say me a lady.
You can
Me
all right.
tell you, say me name, lady. I Shaz me name.
All right, Shad.
Which part
you
lady come in a
can't
Shaz?
do what Popeye do and be like Popeye.
Me tell you,
You cannot do that.
Me tell you, some want be like you. Me tell you, say you teach me. You teach me how to balance the scale, and me I go balance it well. Go, see me I balance already. Cause my balance already. Me balance scale, you know. Come and learn from the best.
Not try that.
I'll produce so.
Not try that.
Cause you balance scale and produce. And me name too.
Me tell you already, say you can't do what me do. What me do is natural. What me do is miracle.
Hey!
See what me get? I'm beautiful baby. And I see next one. The next one turn too long in the oven. You know, get me complexion.
Oh, a complexion, my baby.
Well, look at me get a nice brown.
A foolishness like that make people put chemical on their skin, you know, and ruin their good skin, you know.
I never me tell them.
Like you.
Because black is beauty, I never tell them if you go bleach.
Hey.
I only show you the difference. Say me have two different color.
And what?
Me want a white one, you know.
Hey, we'll go balance the scale.
Right.
You balance and me balance, and we see which scale balance first.
So me have a white. No, me have the brown. Me have the blacky. So me want the whitey.
I'm gonna erase you and see who get the whitey first.
You could never.
Me no say.
You could
what
never.
me have. Me not have no problem to get a whitey. So go balance the scale. Go on, no. Go balance the scale.
And you know, make sure so when you come back your food. You talk about balance scale. You better balance the pot.
Balance the scale.
Balance the
Show
two
me
pot
how
them.
to scale and scale.
But balance. We tell you from one day to top jet like young girl. Wait on long jet and I go on the road.
But how me I go balance scale in a long dress? Me I go learn from best and balance the scale so well. And Miss Justice I'm gonna call me. Watch me balance. Time today.
All right.
Watch how me I go balance.
All right.
Hey.
How about you adjust them?
Am I just?
Give me a little.
No.
Give me some ice,
No.
Please, don't
No.
get me thirsty. Give me a little
No.
juice.
No, it's not yours.
So, sharing is caring.
No.
Take the juice from your
Girl,
car.
am I
Give
juice?
me the juice, nah. Give me the juice. Give me one, so.
No.
Give me some my juice, no girl. Give me with thirsty.
The juice can't share.
Give me juice.
Come on for my picnic. Come on for my picnic. What is? You alright?
Yes, ma'am.
What's going on?
She don't want to give me some of my juice. I'm a beggar, so.
But it's not yours.
Who for juice?
Mine.
Who for, how you get it?
Daddy give me money for buy juice.
You with your money. So why you fight me picnic for her
The beggar
juice
some of my
for?
juice and she don't want to give me none.
So I beg for you fight me picnic for?
Yes.
Nobody with it, you know. Me warn you already, you know. Me will kill you for me picnic, you know. Father house or no father house.
This is one house if you share juice.
Share juice, what you come with, what you bring to the table. She get her juice with her money. And you come bad mind her feet. I saw you really bad mind and covetous. Not to my picnic here. And put hand pan picnic. Put your hand pan my picnic again and see what happens. Your father can't save you. Your father won't be able to save you. Oh, one go to come into my yard and I fight my picnic over for her things.
So, I don't think nothing.
You bring nothing?
No matter. My father owes this.
Is her father give her money for why your father not give you money for buy you juice? You come fight my picnic for her juice. Your father give you nothing, leave nothing with you today before him go work? And him no say you there? But yet you want to come fight my picnic for what she have. No bother with it. It happened again and it won't be her hand paying here. I come in, I like you already. Come. Come outside with your drink.
No, big no, like.
Oh, I can't even. Come outside. I'll damage the door too. Like say you're careful.
Make it a cut me.
Sure. Rude us. Why? Enough to mix your body up, you know.
Mommy.
And don't follow her neither, because she's a bad breed. No one she rub off.
Oh, hi, Titi.
Good morning.
Hello.
Hi.
Then,
Mommy, I'm finna walk good up the song. Come back here.
All right.
Ah.
Walk good and watch the road, yeah?
Yes, Mommy.
All right.
So walk on, girl.
then.
We are tired, though.
No, yes, about that. Me a walk.
Anyways, put it in your pocket. You see, Mommy and Daddy asked where you get it from. See, no, here.
When I come
This
from,
was appear in your pocket. There.
how would this?
Oh, it's my friend Titi.
So I can't answer.
Know about that.
Yeah, you know, see Rena come down. So I must run. Come on, come
Anyways, make
How?
Go take the backyard.
She do what?
Take the backyard.
Where?
No,
How you know that?
since you put Miss One certified.
She thief people bank card.
Yes, mommy.
Arm robber shit. That's why I'm want her with you, you know?
What going on, sir?
Here. Me.
What?
Turn arm robber. I rob people money and bank card and everything.
My daughter don't do that.
What you say? What you just say?
My daughter could never.
Hey! Speak
Where
of the
come
devil and the devil.
What will go do?
Come did hat some just take a walk. Feel that you want to come
Let me ask you a question.
No, I'm not feeling
You not feel nothing? You really not feel nothing? Look up at me. Look. Tell me, say,
What do you feel? I'm hot.
If you're hot, where you...
Okay.
Right. So why the backside you do on the road? You have a boyfriend out there? So what you do? A girlfriend out there?
No.
So what you do?
Yeah,
You have no friend out here, are you?
no, just come.
Out there?
Just did one walk.
Relative out there? What if it's for me? Miss nothing?
If our daughter says searchers for a reason.
Wait, man. Come on, I know what I could have missed.
She give me money.
Stop telling lie, pa me picnic.
And your daughter give me the card.
Like say my daughter.
Me see her around with
And
her.
then
Where
you
you
the
get
right
this from?
name, Penny.
I know me ask you.
Cause I know my name the panties.
Oh, T.
Which man give you a card?
No man not give me no card. Ask she.
Jeffrey Johnson. Who named her? You asked who named her? And me if you ask who named her.
Oh, T. That's what me I tell you about her, you know.
Where you come from? Where you get it from?
Make stop blaming me picnic. Don't call my picnic name out to your dirty mouth, little girl.
Where you get this from?
She give me.
Let me ask you a question.
See me get no care.
Yeah,
Benny.
me
Don't tell
card.
my family. Oh.
What between the two of them, where the card come from?
Ask she.
No, one more time, you know. Any of me see two of them pipe more ask she, me have a broken hand, you know.
And she give me card.
Wait
Me
till
say
I see
I run
the
for the
girl.
road at a smart yard and I ask her where she a come from.
Me a see girl. That's a lie, Pam.
No,
Stop
me
telling
lie.
lie, pa me picnic. Cause you're nothing but trouble from your coming in the district. You know, bring nothing but crosses and disgrace.
Hello, let me talk to me, Pitney.
Yeah, but when she
Let
bring
me
my
talk
picnic,
to
she
me,
bring me in
picnic.
it. No.
You don't put your mouth. You see when the father and daughters attack, no open up your mouth.
Hi. Now tell me not when she talk about for me picnic. And me carry and me give birth.
And me at the
Well, this is your picnic and tell her to stop calling him. Since you want, bring it less up.
never
Tell
call
your
her name,
picnic.
because she in
She point too.
And she,
I feel me picnic she point
and
too.
that, if I
No
never
bother, cause that will call is come arrest my picnic and we don't know her.
Ren,
Yes.
may I ask you one more time, yeah? My daughter, don't tell me no lie. Don't tell me no friend you have, no ID
I
from me.
get boyfriend come just coming at
God,
first never come out our house too.
you better me know, than me no know. So me know what to do next. If me figure it a gun, I go shoot. If the, me not want to call the word. Cause me no want to have to cuss bad. If you have a boyfriend, you tell me the truth. Because you're young. And that's not right. 13. I 15. So me want to know from now. Do you have a boyfriend?
I'm get boyfriend from
Where the car that come from?
he give me.
Outside the man. The man. Where you get the car from?
Daddy, me here, so podcast. I'm coming to tell mommy to
What
check
thief? You
her.
got thief cat?
Me not see that she give me the card home for you.
She's still a tell lie.
Hello. I'm
Tell
tell
me.
again and again. Leave out a father and daughter relationship.
And me tell you again and again. Outside this your body she come from,
Alright,
so me will defend she.
take it,
Yes,
money.
and raise your picnic properly. Come
Money.
inside. I look from this police come for you, you
You
don't
can't
know
do.
why. Because you can't raise your picnic right.
Hey, girl. What?
I know you're wicked. I know you tell like
What could you do?
the card.
Me no hear talk about the girl. Oh,
Just stop after you know you give me up with them pocket.
me can.
Yes.
Girl to a lie.
No, no, where give me card. I
Girl
see
don't
me in
know
that
that.
trouble. Now my father thinks I'm a thief. And now you will give me the card.
Girl, nothing I for me to take them.
Girl, yeah, I'm gonna tell them yeah with the card.
Listen me.
You put it for me.
No, okay.
What's up, pocket? You're so wicked.
We just a start, eh?
You mean just a start? Where did you give me card?
Because I'm off to play fine. When the court we went to file, I'm gonna yard. No.
And my father, yeah.
Oh,
Is my father.
wait. Some days I come see you.
Oh, me I hear voices. Me come back from the shop and me can't hear a voice.
Yeah, customer.
Where your customer now?
You gonna know say she the card business. You gonna tell her family.
You going back to that again? We don't know say. And you take the card.
It's not me. She give me them on.
Me get no card.
You really think so me and your father are a real idiot? Not true. True, we big and we old, it take we for idiot. My daughter really a got thief card and can carry it go give you. So if she thief the card, she now go spend on the card, but she go take it and give you for. You think so we a real idiot? You think so we born yesterday?
Yeah, put this. How many want answer now?
Let them you just I got box you down, you know.
So she not know when else.
That's why me tell you now, roll with her. Show me your company and I tell you who you be. No, she's a thief, bring down disgrace from the yard and upon the family. She gonna rub your name in it. Police will come for you, you don't know why. Keep away from her. Me know the name sister, but keep away from her.
Okay.
Oh, alright. Me don't want to hear them the noise and big cow balling in the house again. Please and thanks.
Wait. What one girl?
Yeah, girl.
So how you work out with the
It don't
card?
work out.
What you mean by no work out?
Girl, it don't work out.
What?
One expand for though.
Alright. Alright. I know can. Now go on your road.
Mm-hmm.
Go on and walk. When I miss Alice so. Yeah, ready to say so.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, go over this so. When I say look you there about the day.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, couple of them plan. She come here and plant it on that. That must work. If that not work,
How good plan that?
yeah. Well, I got pay one nice corner, expensive one thing, you know, so she have to get that. You know?
Better come and show up and come and tie your yard, brother.
Alright. So for now, this is my size out. I'm not seeing nothing more bigger, but that we have to work with. Alright. But we're gonna know. Just hold on. Yes, sister. Plenty. And she will say that day. Come. Go on, sissy girl. I want sister you sissy me. Yes, sister. Yeah. Anyways. You have to take the phone, yeah. Hold it now. Hold the phone. You remember last time? Let's girl, hold the phone. I put my phone this year. No worry about that. No worry about that anyway. So keep the phone.
She said she don't want to be with bad sister. She get a one phone and she get
Hey, where you get phone from?
And them just give me. No, Allah, we just ask her.
Yeah, use the same old line again. Where you get phone from and me no see?
And them
you
just,
no
she said she buy give me. Me, you forget money from?
Jesus Christ. Little girl, when you fit tell lie, first use your imagination here. She buy you phone. And give, and she not even have a bang of phone she use. So she buy you smartphone, give you.
Them just give me. Them who? Them who? Oh. So come and see the phone and we ask her where she get the phone from.
and she just not answer it.
So the two of them are lie. And that you try to tell me, the two of them are lie.
Yeah, run from up there so.
Run from where?
Up there so, I don't know, then get the phone. But back your phone now.
Girl, all this.
Here what? Me now make you rub off from the picnic, you know. Cause you're bad code. You're bad seed. So here what? Come. Let me take you to your father to start this up because you're now rub off from me picnic. Come. Do alone to come. I mean now take this no more.
Watch them. Watch them. From morning left them. A yard and nothing.
See your father.
And nothing no
Take
cook.
to your father.
Where that come from?
Hey, ask your daughter.
Me again.
Look in her hand.
Ain't the phone.
Look in her hand.
Phone. I want to give me the
People
phone.
phone she thief. And I try put the blame on she and her friend.
Your thief phone.
Me not thief no.
Yesterday your thief yard. No, today your thief phone.
How much time does
Let me see phone where your thief. Jesus Christ. Then me could have thief and thief this. Then I think you no value. You couldn't thief an iPhone.
Them give me.
Them girl out in the farming. Oh.
Renee,
Yes, Daddy.
if you're the thief the phone and you can't your sister, why you hate your sister? Because her
Daddy,
color.
but me not thief no phone give her.
We should not tell lie.
She.
Every day I say to you, say, when time I ask you a question, you talk one at a time. Don't talk about no she coming and know who is who. Don't do that. You understand? Who thief the people them phone?
She.
Renee,
Yes, Daddy.
did you thief the phone?
No, Daddy.
Renee,
Yes, Daddy.
if you know you do it, tell me from now. Did you thief the phone?
Daddy saved for my life. Me not thief no phone.
Ren,
Yes.
when you left your mother, come up here, right? What me said to you in the night?
Nothing kind of argument and behave myself.
Right. So why when we go and work a man in time and left it chilling in the yard, nothing not done, me not see no pot of bubble. When we go there, we go get the readies and the geddies and come in. Me have to give your mother out your stepmother, you know. And me have to go on the little hundreds them when we have because it's summer. So me know so no one bag juice to drink. Or tongue. Right? So why the back side you are walk at thief people phone? You look back, me look like me have money if you buy back phone. Huh? So if you're not thief your man get them.
No, them.
And the same Devrai here. Devrai Johnson and get this. Cause you thief card, you know. I ain't no country card. But you take a thief card. What? You know what you're not going to pick them right?
Really?
You're not grow them right.
How them coming out and one picnic come out of this body, you know?
I could have 1,000,000.
One picnic me responsible.
No. If you love me, you're supposed to love my youth because my youth come from me.
With your youth. And you rude youth rank with me. And it's true, me love you. I'm in a shatter her box long time.
You rank with her?
Yes, you want.
More than rank.
Oh, me just shake it and if you rank with her, but you know no sense. Anyway.
Now me know where it come from.
Me don't mean that the rank there. Me think a piece she piss by you. Because
so it would be better if she pissed for me then.
No, me
that's why she come as bad code, you know.
No.
You and you pick me a real bad code. She pissed for me.
You know, you say she rank with you. So me think a piece she piss by you. Yeah, make it look like.
You gonna shake her hand. So you agree with her then?
Oh, me?
You know, say you gonna shake her hand
no.
if you did.
Listen to me. I'm talking to you now. You see, you know, you gotta be yourself. You gotta be.
You don't believe me, son of me at them. They know me not here.
See now, you miss. Who thief the phones?
She was with the phone.
Who thief the phone?
She was with the phone.
You have any witness?
I told me not a friend.
You have any witness?
No.
Right.
What are them?
Me don't know no. Me can't pick up you. Me can't see no thief, you know. You're my blood, so me can't see no thief. I was a thief back then. Because a thief your mother from one different man. And you know how me get her? The money she see me account. And she follow me.
Tell the story right. Tell the story right. Come in now, say you will drop and lick your head when you're a baby, you know.
You see? My jump on me and I feel mother me a talk about.
You know, say how you get she and pipe on me. I make out to me a gold digger run you down for your little Trump.
Me find by you. Bob Marley did right. Who the cap fit? Let them wear it. When you fling a stone in the hack pen, them ball out. Me never call no name. Me sure of that.
No, where you finger them a point though.
I never said beard.
Talk to your picnic.
I never said.
Talk to your picnic and anyway. You a point.
You see? I go warn you. This is the second time I go warn you. You see, third time I debt. You hear? The third time I debt. So all me I tell you, have respect for you if you don't know manners, right? Because if you lose your mother tomorrow, she going to be your mother fully. You understand? No matter what she want to form up, she have to take care of you too. Because no woman not going to live under my roof and cheat my picnic them unequal. Everybody will cheat good. Whether you're bad, or you're rude, or you're thief, you have to cheat equal. Because guess why? If me don't feed you, government will come for me. No? Whether you're thief or you're money, government will come for me. Because the idiot them sit down in the parliament. Now give you the right to clap, you know. Because they want to say, that really is the content. No. You don't reach yet, so we still can't clap you. But if me even clap you, they still charge me. You understand? So it kind of mix up and twist up. You're going to respect her like your own.
You say you're not talking to me unless you call my name. So no me you talk to.
Sham, you are going to respect them, right? Like your own. That's how I name them in the same direction. Renee and Ren. Me just take out the AE and Shorty, Ren. Right? No, you're going to respect her as more than a sister. You're going to love one another. You can't choose friend over your sister. Me not see your sister walk up and down. Every day you are your friend. If you have time for your sister, take up a book and sit down and teach her. You have to teach her the road. Because you don't want no man out the road teacher. Because if man out the road leader, she gone. Next thing she come in with belly. You understand? You understand?
No, Daddy. It's not a man box.
Any boxer go on tonight, 200 get in. I tell you that. You see right now, no food, no cook because of your stepmother and your mother. Right? And me, they feel consequence right now. Right now, me hungry. Me top of your mother yard today, me not get no food in. So me should have seen her come to me now get no food, yeah, so.
Not get nothing. It's just a need a stop a hole for mother yard. And you know, no excuse to stop there.
Huh?
What you stop there for?
So you can't talk to that.
You did it? If you stop there for see you, because you belong to him. Why you stop the next woman yard for and she not there?
I build that out. I can relax there anytime I feel like.
Well, relax there. Remember me tell you, sir, balance the thing. Balance it, man.
Balance it between the two women. We don't want to create no problem. Next thing we start pay you
Balance
more
it.
attention, then she now
No,
start
no,
flip up
no.
and come and
Balance
control
it,
acid
man.
upon
No
you.
show me no attention.
Me have
Balance
to
it.
balance
Yeah,
it.
man. Balance it. And then
See,
keep
in
it
the
up.
morning and in the afternoon, me stop there when I go to work, heal her up, get my breakfast gone. Bam. When I come back, me stop there, eat my dinner, come home, eat my dinner. That's how me have to do it. Me have to balance the scale.
My daughter.
Yes, mommy.
Today is Saturday.
Mm-hmm.
And you go home. I want to look after the food. Me I go pack my bag. And me I go balance the weekend. Just like how
No,
you
bring me.
balance every day.
Bring me.
Monday, what? No. Cause what me doing, picnic can't come.
No, bring me.
Me I go balance the
You
thing.
know what your mother say, what do you want to do with them?
Me I go balance the thing.
Eh?
So me now want to tell you with
Oh,
them.
you
No.
maga. What kind of balance you can go balance with for your mother? You walk this, look, girl, go you.
Oh, you fling after.
You
When you can fling after, you not do.
into walk list. You know
The
you
one
want
who you
to.
what listen thief,
balance.
you know the discipline.
See this, she go balance.
The one who is a thief and I go bring police to
I
your
am not
door,
thief.
you not balance.
You see the disgrace where you carry down for me.
I don't want me not thief, no.
I make my so-called woman where say I go balance and disgrace me because of you. Me never in no cussing sake of you know. Why you come down? Why you not just stand there? You see me every day when me I go work. Why you choose to come here? Concrete problem. What man? Where you go? No, me say no. Come out too. I don't have manners. Say sorry.
Sorry.
And you respect. Alright, go on now. And your head too. You see you?
Take your pictures of my face.
Go.
Eh? Mega balance like you. Balance your book, man. Balance your sheet. Like a balance everything. You balance
Yes, Father, but it's you, eh? Hello, come everybody out the door. No, but you want to come and friend. Ready, you know. Alright, you're active, you eat your fast, you're good. Right, you're active, you have energy. You know, but let me tell you about the short thing.
Because I'm dirty.
Leave that for the skittle lamp on the road. No be no hard up shot. A matter of fact, let me adjust it properly then. Leave it to the big people, them on the road, make them wear shot. Okay. See? Like mother, like daughter.
You're supposed to me.
See?
You of all people can't talk, you know. When you step out
The
of
farm my picnic.
Yes.
Boy shots. Well educated.
You talk about shots.
Well educated.
Well educated thief. Yeah, man.
Miss me not thief.
Me no want you get for your education here.
I was
You
shot
see,
in
if
your
it's that
mouth.
kind of education, tan a idiot. Now take up that kind of education. And now follow
Listen,
your idiot papa neither.
Don't follow your mother. Because if I were you, I look in the mirror before me put on the short and come out here. You don't have any bam. You don't wear it.
And so?
I'm here give me a finger, girl. I'm
No,
here
no,
give me a finger.
no.
I'm here give me a finger. Answer my question. I'm here really give me the... What me
I
tell
give her
you?
nothing for lick, me pick me.
Yeah, what me I say now? You see now? Me get up extra early, you know. I make sure breakfast look about it. So you know, get up and eat. I mean, no, so no well fed. You're alright, you're well fed. So you see what you're going to do now? You're going to organize yourself. What me say you're going to do? Right. So, Pat I go bubble when me come in. You say, no, Pat now bubble. You tell me from now so me can tap and me fear mother yard and fill me belly as much.
I care something.
And care food come give me picnic.
Time for the wait for bubble.
Good.
Me I go balance my sheet today. So me I make you know. You ask for let you know. I take off my glasses so we can look in your eyes and 2 eye make 4. Today me I balance my sheet.
No teeth nothing today. In the name of Jesus, no teeth nothing today. Please. Nothing at all because we are telling today. I turn strike. If you ever teeth nothing. Me now pack up your bag and send it for your mother, you know. I cops here make you spend the whole summer.
And when I'm at teeth, it's not me.
Trying to make your name mix up. Then if I you. But you know a joke. You don't know witness. And look here. Look girl. So when I say turn in the yard, you're turning in the yard, you don't go on the road. You hear me say you're 15. You don't have no rights to left the yard, yeah. You mother can't give no rights to left the yard, yeah. When a summer, you turn on your damn yard, you know, go to school, you turn here, you take up a book, you learn.
So I can't for my friend them.
Me not get no education, you know.
Sure.
Me not get none. So me want you to come be at least a doctor or a lawyer. Right? And you.
You know me, Uncle Joe. Know me, Uncle Doctor.
Good. I like that. Doctor and nurse. But if you want to become doctor and nurse, you have to tap your teeth in. Because teeth will lead in one bad road. But tell you the truth. You see, if you continue teeth, it go in your blood. Because they always say start from the root. You understand? It's just like the planting tree there, so. Right? In teeth, you wait for out of the one they cut and come up. And when you shoot, right? When planting want to shoot, what you do? You don't know. When planting want to shoot, what you do? When planting want to shoot, what you do?
No.
You don't know. See it? One jackass here have a group.
From you.
Anyway, you see you, go wash your plates. You see you, rake yard. I don't want no one washer, no one rinse. I don't in that.
Mama, wash plaster rake yard now?
Yes, rake yard.
Renee!
Oh, one TT.
What going on now?
No,
I'm hot.
this one hot. Right now. Okay, so I don't know.
No, I don't want to road.
I'm gonna have to go though.
Right.
What's your mommy? They think you're gone.
There you go.
Me walk with my friend.
Alright. Me no say your father said not for go on road. But me no say and me carry you for 9 months and I me take 72 hours to give birth to you. So just watch the road and be careful on the road and keep away from you know what to keep away from.
Oh, she can't go on the road. That's what
You turn our mother now.
But she can't mind her business.
Last time me check, Odessa she come from Odessa. When me tell my
Can't go
picnic,
on the road.
I will stop this.
friend, go on the road. You go.
Oh, that's when we can't go. I'm in your picnic.
Me no business with you, you know. Me no business with what you want to do. But keep away from a picnic. I mean, I want your bad code rub off on her.
Are you a picnic back at your teeth?
Which are you always a get catch with teeth? Now, but the rub off of a picnic, all bad code.
Alright, so what is we are going to do now? Because it's just that there's a boy I really hate her about, but there's something no one.
Brother, me not want to next plan. But I come on, see.
Sit down, because me not care what no further.
Always talk about it now. If I want better, I want best plan for do.
How we are going to do this plan now? So then I believe phone,
They don't believe
Narcan.
none of them.
Hold on, girl. Me I go over there, so. Me put on some over there, so. But if you like we work.
How far you go?
Me not go further, so I buy it over there, so.
Alright then. Me say sorry for you.
Hi, girl. Sit down.
Where you getting it from?
Go. Don't worry about that. Just know say we have stuff. So this boy me never did continue about me do stash off for like so. My sister come, I give sister half of it, and we go and pass. So we have, so we go split up here, see me? So when we give sister half now, you know when the people then come here, we tell them say she take the money and so forth. You know what I mean? So that way
I hope the guys on the way.
Sierra come too.
Sister girl, come here. Oh yeah, go. Come here now. Come here. Come take a seat.
No, I'm not asking.
Alright. You're my friend. We see what this year. Are you a girl smite? Here. What on
One for myself.
You have to phone. Let's take that.
Oh, hope not thief, No, not TV. What we got thief money for? Out of school money we make up here.
See, I go do.
Yeah.
Alright.
Go about my business.
Later.
Alright.
See it?
Alright, that is it
It's
now.
working now. Work.
Then the must work. How money that you know? How you thief, yeah, then you got thief. 100. Like, then now must expect to share got thief something else.
Alright. Come on, girl. Come on. Go up.
But ultimately, I have to get catch now, you know, girl.
Come on. Pick up.
Me not get catch, you know? Okay, if we get catch, you someone not go. The one not gonna work out good.
Mommy. Yeah, so tell you again. You know, sir. You know, sir, got thief money again.
Lord, you never there with her.
No.
When I tell you to keep the east and west from that child, you know, she's nothing but bad news. Where she get money for thief?
Mommy, I don't know.
So how you find out?
Maybe when you talk.
Hey.
So what about much you see her with money? Me I say, where you get money from? Mama walk past me.
A rough.
Well, here what? Wanna stay in the yard. Can any name I call? And your name not for call, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't mix up with her. Hey, she get big and bright now. I she'll get away with one or two things. She got more and more now. Keep her from her, yeah? It's not a bad code. Bad code. So how much sense you see her with?
So, what are you for US?
US at that. Not even Jamaican, but she bright.
Evening.
Hey,
Alright, me say, this morning, man, it's an embarrassment. We just put on the same clothes over and over. When you play and wash, you not like the idea, man.
Daddy, your hand and foot John Church.
Then you say that to thief money again. First a car.
Talking about that, you know, see me get a call from a bridge and say, I sister me so much US. But he said, he might sister get the police and I get talk to video, find the video. She said me, why for US now?
Why?
So-
What in the dark? Have to come in the light?
What me daughter thief now?
Race that. Holy. Me and my friends sing out a bamboo tree. I'm sure
US
a bra.
dollar.
Yeah.
Same thing you
Right.
you same thing you lose.
Right.
She not there. Me try to stop her and she tell
You
me
never find out yet?
me is not her mother.
Seriously?
And a lie. And a lie.
There with what?
And she's so fool. She walking with it same way.
There with what? I them
Let
save you and
me
give
put
me.
this down and see
I your
this.
daughter save and give me and she friend. What me
Girl,
forget US
don't
from?
you from me?
Wanna meet again.
Hey,
This not real.
what more proof you want?
Daddy, I them save you and give me.
Why they would not give me any money and save me?
I don't know them give me. They send me a lot by the
And give the whole of this year.
Yeah.
And I say none for themselves. So then give them hard working
Then they
savings.
have more.
Check on the pocket.
No pocket.
You know no pocket.
So where you do it at the yard? Where they do it at the yard? We don't tell them no outside to one
But
of
she
the
in the
yard.
field.
I yard because I
Mommy,
come
Where you come
there's
see
some
your
out of the
picnic?
yard.
Yeah.
Where you come see your picnic?
Us
Them
Oh liar.
can't believe you. Thief people their money for what? Eh? What you thief so?
me not thief no. They send me on the road and give me.
I can't believe it.
Where you
Thief
put
people
it?
their money.
Where you put it in the
Eh?
sofa?
I say you thief.
Where you put it in the sofa?
May you take the rest, you know?
Let it go.
Where you let me for?
You thief.
You're
You have
thief.
protecting people their money.
You protect the money and separate
Where
it.
you
Hold
put
on
in your
there,
pocket
hold on there.
for?
Yeah, Raj. Oh, you get the video now. What's up, me? Yeah. But let me know the culprit. What's happening?
Then which part? You get catch. You get catch. Oh liar. Yes, it's gonna come out. Hey, it's gonna come out and you blame my picnic. Everything I come out
Put up
now.
on the video.
Everything I come out.
Come here, you come here. Identify the person on the screen.
And she don't.
Hey. Wait. So, who gave the US?
It two of them.
So, hold on there now. So a frame, you try frame my picnic.
She influenced me.
Nobody blame me picnic. You had the thief the whole time.
She influenced me. Listen, let me tell you.
Teaching me.
She said she don't like her sister. I don't know what for reason. So, first she thieved the card and give her sister, right? The phone was me. And money, my auntie money me take up and we use it.
Your auntie money? I'm glad me never touch it.
You know, silly little girl, you is a
Me
liar
glad
and
me
a
never
thief.
touch
Nobody
your
call me
auntie
picnic name out to your dirty mouth, you know.
I shut your box, your fart.
But that she influenced me.
How
Come
she fi influence you and your big girl?
Come here. You see, my picnic want to make me in disgrace. I make in disgrace. I make Mama Moonzel over Yasso.
Pain.
I style.
Pain.
Say it again.
Pain.
Say it again.
Me lose her for you.
Right.
Lose
Take
her
it backside,
for
go on. Let me tell you something. You see, when you come on to my picnic and you overall are your sister and
that
your
she-
girl and your mother.
Listen, me
Did
never want to that she's
And I can't disgrace my picnic.
Me lose her for you.
Do you think you do go a cup with that?
Where you going with
Me
my
not
shit?
thief. Me not better than that. Cheat.
Huh?
Where you going with my shit to my picnic?
I'm
Yes,
making
Do
yes.
what you want to she, but you not
You
chop
don't
my
see your
picnic.
thief this year.
You not chop my
You don't
picnic.
see what ain't gonna do.
You not chop my picnic today.
I'm not gonna lick him. So sit them pan.
Yes,
You
yes.
never lick she when you think so she a teeth, so you not lick
Because-
my shit.
I have a feeling that she, yeah, I tell lie. If you move, if you try and move me clap you out of the my shit. I will.
Me lose her for you, man. Me lose her for you. And me can there defend you. Oh God.
I
You
beg,
hear
I
me?
beg you do. You hear? Call the police right now so they can go a cops. Because guess what? You see, if they don't go a cops, I dig never dig one of a bush, bury them in. So call the police
Me
them
lose her
can
for
know.
you. Me lose her for you. Me
You don't
gone.
lose yet.
Me gone.
Come
Me
on,
lose
you
her
don't lose
for you.
yet.
Shame me.